Dewana from Rankin County, Mississippi, has a question about an extreme remodel.
She's concerned really about some sight lines.
Oh.
She considers them unsightly sight lines.
Okay.
Dewana writes, as you can see in this photo, the front door, I don't know if you can see it, but the front door looks directly into the master bedroom. I think having master bedroom and an arrow painted on the wall isn't helping either.
No, I like it. You get light, it glows in the dark. You find your way in.
Well, it's good because if you're on a bender, you can find your way back home again. No, but seriously, you can see what happens there. Whoever designed this, obviously you're looking right into the
Oh, yeah, I hate it. Architecturally wise, I hate it.
Well, so you and Dewana have that in common. She says, is there a way to add a wall or something that, because she says she's thinking about selling the house and she's thinking this is going to be a problem when she sells it. Could she put some sort of kicker wall there or something? Or what would you recommend?
You got two things happening. One is your front door walks right into the couch in the living room. That's a problem. And the other thing is, of course, is your sight line into there. The only thing worse is if you're looking at a toilet. And sometimes that happens too. But here's my answer to that is don't do anything. Clean the house up and sell it as is. If you were going to stay there and you wanted to redo the entryway and make it different for you, I would say spend the money. Don't spend the money for something like that because somebody's still going to buy the house. You're just going to have to sell it as is, and that's always the best way to go.
Yeah, I'm thinking that kicker wall idea. Here's the problem. She got that coffered ceiling there, and if you come out with a wall, that's going to screw that up.
Yeah, just putting a wall up is not the answer. You'll have to do something more extensive than that if you really wanted it to work, and it would have to be the whole entry area there.
May I make a suggestion?
Okay.
What if she got some sort of wall unit that came out from there and just put it there so it broke up the sight line? Go down.
I know, but she's doing it for sale.
Oh, she's doing it for sale. Oh,
that's right. She's selling the house.
Just leave me.
And paint over that big arrow on the wall, and they'll buy the house.
And if they say anything, you tell them I like it that way.
Yes.
And we like it when you send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. You can see more of our videos over here. And we appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel.